We have more news coming in. Let's take a look at these developments. It does seem that the Maha Aghadi is at a breakpoint now. Uddhav Sena said to dump the Congress and Sharad's NCP, Sharad Pawar's NCP. Thackeray's have united and could be dumping the Aghadi is what we're learning. Thackeray tie-up possibly for the BMC's civic poll war. Biggest Maharashtra political churn. This is fast on India today. Aghadi disintegration seems to be looming here.
लोकल बॉडीज में लोकल इशू होते हैं, शहर के इशू होते हैं, बहुत स्थानिक मुद्दे होते हैं। इसके लिए हमको स्थानिक लोगों पर छोड़ना चाहिए, लेकिन हमारे पे दबाव, लोगों की इच्छा है, लोगों की मांग है। अगर मुंबई को बचाना है, मुंबई पे मराठी मानुस का अधिकार हमको रखना है, तो राज ठाकरे और उद्धव ठाकरे जी को एक साथ आकर चुनाव लड़ना होगा। ये लोगों की मानसिकता और दबाव जरूर है।
All right, so that's a big story. Remember, just last Saturday, the Thackeray cousins united over a political rally where they shared the stage, and there is enough indication and more that they are going to be going it together for the civic body elections in Mumbai. Vidya has more. Vidya, it's evident that the Congress, the NCP, Sharad Pawar faction would be extremely uncomfortable with MNS coming on board. What's the buzz? What are you picking up?
Well, this is really not the first time that we are hearing, but almost every party has indirectly said that they might not be in alliance during the various municipal corporation elections that will be happening. Remember, there will be municipal corporation elections that we have seen that will be happening across Maharashtra. And before this also, we have seen that various parties with different ideologies, have aligned together for municipal corporations to form a government there. So obviously, if you look at this, pre-poll alliances in municipal corporation elections actually don't really work. And that's one of the reasons why most of the parties have been saying that there might not be pre-poll alliances that we'll see on the lines of the Aghadi or the, Mahavikas Aghadi or the Mahayuti that we had seen during the Lok Sabha or the state elections.
Vidya, I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. This is a story we're keeping a very close eye on. It's political churn in the state of Maharashtra. We're reporting on what could be possibly worked out. How is the Congress and the NCP, the Sharad Pawar faction, going to be looking at the tie-up and with between Uddhav Thackeray, Sena and the Maharashtra Nav Nirman Sena? Enough and more indications of this ahead of these civic body elections.